Okay, so on this short video I'm going to show you how to transfer images from your camera onto your computer. And bear in mind this is for a Windows 10 computer, which is what you're looking at here. Now, I'm assuming you've connected your camera already to the computer, and if you have, and there is a sheet that I've done that shows you how to do that, then you should be able to click on the File Explorer icon at the bottom here, which is like a little yellow folder. I'll click on that, and that will open a window showing you what's on the computer. Now, if your camera is connected, then on this left hand side, if I click on this PC, there it is, look, this PC, then again in the window you should be able to see your device, or an icon for your device. There's mine, the Canon PowerShot camera. So to see what's on the camera, I just double click on that icon, and the next level down it takes me to what it calls removable storage. In other words, the card, the storage card which is on the computer. So I'll double click on that. Next on mine, it takes you to this folder, DCIM. Now, depending on the device you're using, you might have other folders there as well, but this will be the one that has your camera images in it, DCIM. So I'm going to open that, double click. Now, again, in your case, you might just have images then. Because I've got quite a lot of images on this camera, this has been split up into several folders again. So if I open one of these by double clicking, again, always point at the folder, not at the words. Okay, so point at the folder, double click, and there you can see the images on that folder. Now, if I maximize that window by clicking on the maximize symbol, the middle one, you can see that there are about 40 images in that folder. Okay. Click on the same symbol again. This time when I point at it, it says Restore Down. Click on that. So this window, remember, is showing me what is on the camera. And I'm going to copy this first image from the camera onto my computer. Okay, so what I want is another window here that shows me what's on the computer at the moment. Normally, if the camera wasn't connected, I could click on this File Explorer symbol. But now, because I've already used that, whenever I click on that one, the only effect is to make that window appear and disappear. Okay, so I need some way of getting another window. And I do that by pointing at the Start button down in the bottom corner here. Click on that. And then once I've clicked on that, on the left hand side here, I want this little symbol. Looks like a little sheet of paper folded over, and it says Documents when I point at it. So I'll click on that, and that brings up a new window on screen, and it's covered up the old window, so I can move this across by pointing somewhere near the top, holding my mouse button down and just dragging it like that. So this window, click near the top to bring it to the front, shows me what's on the camera. This window, click near the top, shows me what's on the computer. I want to copy my image from the camera into my Pictures folder on the computer. So looking down the left hand side here, here's my Pictures folder, so I'm going to click on that. You can see I've already got some pictures in there. Click back to my Camera folder by clicking on the top of it to bring it to the front. Whoops, I double clicked by mistake. So I'll click here in the top on the Restore Down. There we go, back there. So this is the symbol or the image that I want. So all I do is I drag this image from the camera into my Pictures folder. Point there, hold my mouse button down, drag it, you can see it coming with me, into my Pictures folder, let go, and there's the image copied across. Okay, if you want more than one image, so again I'll come back to my Camera folder. Let's say we wanted this one and this one and this one. those three. Click on the first image you want and then hold down your control key on your keyboard, CTRL, and click on the others that you want. So I want that one and that one. So I've highlighted those three. Then just do the same thing as before. Point at the first image, hold down your mouse button, and when I do that now, you'll see it's telling me I've got 3 images there. And when I let go, it copies those 3 images in. Okay, there they are, the 3 images. There's always an alternative way of doing things, and one different way you could do would be to right-click on a picture you want to copy. So I'll right-click on that one, let's say, and then copy, and right-click in the pictures window and paste. And last of all, if you wanted to delete the picture from your camera and put it onto the computer, then you could do it the same way as that last example. Right-click, but this time instead of copy, click on cut, which would cut it in effect from your camera, and then right-click in the pictures window and paste into there. Okay, there's paste. It's not highlighted because I haven't actually clicked copy on the picture. Okay, so that's moving a picture or copying a picture from the camera onto your computer.